Hello guys. In last videos we have learned how we can show horizontal and vertical lists in Kotlin using RecyclerView. So in this video, by using the same source code, we will just convert it to a grid layout. So let's get started. My name is Asad Ali and I am a professional software engineer having experience in mobile apps development. In this video series, we will discuss solutions to the common problems a mobile developer have to face. So please subscribe my channel so that you should get updates of my latest videos. Okay, so here you can see we have a custom adapter, we have a list item, and in our main activity we initialize our recycler view with this data. Okay, now this time we just need to convert this linear layout manager into a grid layout manager. For that, just write grid layout manager. Okay, so as you can see, it takes multiple parameters in its constructor, the context, and then count, and then we can pass some other parameters like orientation, either it's reversed or not. So for now, I'll just put two parameters, context and the count. So for context, I put this, and for count, let's put 3. So in each row, we are going to show 3 items in a grid. Okay, so let's run it, it should work. Okay, here it is. So you can see the items are populated in form of grid from 1 to 50 and 3 items in each row. So it means we have 3 columns. That's it. Okay, so in next video we will learn how we can pass our own custom data class to our adapter. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you like it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and get update of my latest videos.